Welcome to another Kevin's English Schools English Learning video. Here's a list of vocabulary for cabin attendants. Overhead bin, fuselage, fuselage, cockpit, cockpit, passenger cabin, air stairs, jet bridge, galley, lavatory, in-flight entertainment, emergency exit, life vest, seatbelt, safety demonstration, oxygen mask, tray, table, window, shade, armrest, aisle, bulkhead, first class, business class, economy class, boarding pass, in-flight entertainment, emergency exit, check-in counter, departure gate, landing gear, flight deck, tarmac, runway, seat pocket, safety demonstration. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, or we will have to go back to making cat videos.